it's like, you know, you have to understand more so the people that are around you. You know, we live in this world of selfies, but we have to really be selfless in understanding who we are and understanding who those individuals are and how those two entities can work together in this unified force. And that's really where I think
accomplishing whatever, so many goals. When it comes to you, you're like, no, oh no, that's not for me. And you might block your blessing because you never saw it from the beginning. So visualizing where you want to be is so crucial so that when you step into that moment, you know you belong there.